Hey gamers, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit subscribe and tap the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest mobile game hacks, tips, and guides. Today I'll show you a quick and easy hack method to score unlimited stars and coins in Gardenscapes, all from your phone. No computer, no sketchy installs, and no rooting or jailbreaking needed. I tested this myself, and the resources dropped into my account almost instantly. It's super simple. Let's walk through it step by step. First, you'll need your player ID from Gardenscapes. Just open the game, head into your profile or settings, and you'll see it there, a unique mix of numbers. Take a quick screenshot or write it down so you have it handy. Got it? Perfect. Let's move on. Next, open up your mobile browser, Safari, Chrome, whichever you prefer, and head to the website shown in this video. It has hack tools for a bunch of games, including Gardenscapes. Search for Gardenscapes, then tap on the Unlimited Stars and Coins option. Super easy. On the generator page, you'll see a simple form to complete. Select your platform and then paste in your user ID. Double-check your details, then hit Connect. The tool will link to your account within a few seconds, all handled securely in the background. Now decide how much resources you want, then hit Generate. From here, the system does all the work, syncing, encrypting, and server checks, so you don't have to worry about anything. Before your resources show up, you must complete a quick human verification step. Usually, this means downloading a free app and keeping it open for a minute or two. Not sure what to do? Most sites include a short video or guide to help you through it. Finish that, and you're good to go. Now, reopen Gardenscapes and check your stars and coins balance. If you followed the steps correctly, your new resources should already be waiting in your account. I tested it earlier, and it worked fast and smoothly, no issues. And that's it. A full walkthrough for how to get unlimited stars and coins with Gardenscapes Hack. If this guide helped you out, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and of course subscribe with the bell so you don't miss the next hack or tutorial. Got stuck on a step? Drop your question in the comments. I check them often and I'll help you out. Thanks for watching, enjoy your boosted account, and I'll catch you in the next video.